VR Shinecon 10.0 – Immerse yourself in virtual worlds with enhanced comfort and clarity. The VR Shinecon 10.0 is a cutting-edge 3D virtual reality headset designed to transform your smartphone into a portal to immersive virtual worlds. Engineered with enhanced comfort, superior optics, and advanced features, the Shinecon 10.0 delivers a truly captivating VR experience for users of all ages. Key features: Immersive 3D experience. Turn your smartphone into a powerful 3D machine for gaming and split-screen movies. Enjoy a truly fun and immersive experience that transports you to virtual environments. Wide compatibility. Works with over 1,000 plus iOS Android virtual reality apps available on the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Simply search for VR or related keywords to discover a vast library of VR content. High-quality optical lenses. The matte finished surface and high-quality optical lenses provide a clearer, more immersive, and less straining viewing experience. Adjustable straps and comfortable design. 3 adjustable straps distribute pressure evenly, reducing strain on the bridge of your nose. The Super Face Foam Protector ensures a comfortable fit, even during extended use. Advanced lens technology. Anti-blue light. Reduces harmful blue light emissions, protecting your eyes. Anti-reflection. Minimizes glare and reflections for a clearer image. Hardened lens. Enhances durability and scratch resistance. Reduced radiation. Minimizes radiation exposure. Good light transmittance. Ensures bright and vibrant visuals. No distortion optical lens. Restores a realistic and accurate image. Enhanced comfort and functionality. Cooling and venting panel. Prevents overheating and ensures comfortable airflow. Multifunction button. Provides convenient control over VR content. 3D stereo headphones. Delivers immersive audio for a complete VR experience. Glasses-friendly design. Allows users to wear glasses while using the headset. Adjustable pupil and object distance. Accommodates users with myopia up to 600 degrees. 120-degree wide viewing angle. Provides a truly cinematic and immersive viewing experience. Multiple smartphone compatibility. Supports smartphones with screen sizes ranging from 5.5 to 7.2 inches, iOS and Android. Breathable cooling mask. Features a soft, breathable PU leather material for enhanced comfort. Package includes 1 VR Shinecon 10.0 headphone 3D virtual reality glasses, 1 cleaning cloth, 1 mysterious gift. Benefits: immersive entertainment. Enjoy a truly captivating VR experience with your smartphone. Wide range of content. Access a vast library of VR apps and games. Enhanced comfort. Enjoy extended VR sessions with adjustable straps and comfortable padding. Superior visuals. Experience clear and vibrant visuals with advanced lens technology. Glasses-friendly design. Accommodates users who wear glasses. Adjustable focus. Allows users with myopia to enjoy clear visuals. Immersive audio. Integrated 3D stereo headphones for a complete VR experience. Overall, the VR Shinecon 10.0 is a feature-rich and comfortable VR headset that delivers an immersive and enjoyable virtual reality experience. Its advanced lens technology, adjustable design, and wide compatibility make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to explore the exciting world of VR.